accused of putting a newborn baby in a dumpster earlier this year was back in court this morning. 45-year-old James Booth Jr. is facing 5 felony charges. In court this morning, his public defender began laying out what they were still waiting on 3 months after Booth was first arrested in order to move forward. WREG's Dorita Patterson was in court and has more.
Nearly 2 hours after court started Tuesday, and James Booth Jr. was brought into Division 2 for what turned out to be just shy of a 2-minute report date. This is a time for the defense and the prosecution to fill the court in on the latest. Booth walked in with a stoic stare on his face before taking a seat just behind his public defender. The 45-year-old is facing 5 felony charges to include 2 counts of trafficking for commercial sex act, promoting prostitution of a person between the ages of 12 and 18, continuous sexual abuse of a child, and aggravated statutory rape. The public defender explained to Judge Jennifer Fitzgerald where things currently stand, and that is at a bit of a standstill, as the defense is still waiting for a discovery, which is essentially evidence.
Still waiting on autopsy photos and medical records as it pertains to this matter.
Autopsy photos after an infant was discovered dead in a dumpster. Detectives say moments before Booth was seen allegedly putting the baby in that dumpster, a 16-year-old girl had just given birth to the child. The infant is believed to have been just minutes old at the time of its death. Police went on to say the young mother told investigators she and Booth were in a relationship for 3 years. There's a lot still being sorted out. As that's happening, Booth was being escorted out back to lockup. James Booth Jr. has been ordered back to court May 16th for a bond hearing. It's a time in which the judge could decide whether or not he could be released from custody while he is awaiting a potential trial. Of course, we'll be there as well in order to keep you updated. Reporting for your news leader outside the CJC, Dorita Patterson, WREG. News Channel 3.
All right, that trial still probably months and months away. Meanwhile, Booth was previously charged with abuse of a corpse, but that charge was dropped after records cited a, quote, lack of prosecution.